So we're in Augusta, right? This is the Marriott Augusta Convention Center. Got you in the director's view so you guys can see what I'm looking at when I'm talking. So let's find some light switches. It's adjoining room. Here's the room. Light switches, light switches. Why don't they ever make them like glow in the dark? Instead they're brown. All right, so we got the big king size bed, notes, telephone, magazine, some Bibles, the clock, art, a work bag, little mirror thing, joining room like I said. Here's all this fun stuff. If you want to read it, pause it now. Okay. All right, let's go in here where the magic happens. You know it. It's like Disney World. Got the free stuff. Look it. We've got a walk-in shower. Towels, floor mat thingy. That stuff. Let's see. Glass door. That's the shampoos and stuff. Got a wand. Very nice. So let's go through here. Let's check out this stuff in here. So we got the slide cabinet. Got my work stuff because I'm here for work. Pillow, iron, big old iron board. We've got coffee maker, some water because we are VIPs. We got the safe. We know not to use that. Thanks, Jamaica. You want to know more about that story? Go check out my Jamaica video. Big old TV, drawers, nice little thing. What are these things called? If you know what this is called, put it down in the comments. Nice little work table, like I said. That's it. So what I'll do is, the next couple days, I'll go ahead and around the hotel so you guys can check it out. It's very nice. A lot better than the last couple hotels I've been in. That is for sure. You want to see what our view is? It's a wall. All right, let's come over here. All right, let's check it out. Oh, we have a parking garage over there. I don't know what that is. Maybe it's a church. The pool, I think, is there down there. But downtown Augusta, not much going on. Another window over there. Oh, just like in Vegas. The ACs is right there. That's supposed to control this whole entire room. So the thermostat is there, the AC thing is there, but there's the entire room. I don't get it. Oh, what do we got here? Some plugs. So yeah. I'll be here for 3 days. So, anything, please remember to like, follow, subscribe, become a member. If you really want to help out the channel and then the things that places where I go that you may be interested in, there's always Patreon, which is, I believe, it's in the below in the about, but I think it's patreon.com/bluemoosetraveler, and there you become a Patreon member. A couple bucks per video or per month, whatever you want to do. Everything will help. Plane tickets are getting more and more expensive. So are hotel rooms. So trust me, it won't go to waste, and everything will go to the channel. I don't make any money doing these things. That's for sure. So, all right, guys, pack off for now, and we'll see you in a little while. walking around the convention center, part of the Marriott Convention Center. There's the Savannah River right there. Crazy people.
Augusta Canal was built in 1845. The reason for the Augusta Canal was the Savannah River. I don't know which. Well, how about let me start it. Where y'all from? Anybody from Augusta? You? Okay, I know what that is. They're not very nice there.
Florida.
Oh, they're definitely not nice in Florida.
Ohio.
Ohio?
Ohio.
I'm not sure that exists. So a smart guy by the name of Henry Cummings, he said, you know what? He travels to Europe and to Massachusetts, and he figures out water power. We can use water to power wheels and pulleys, and we can create electricity called hydropower. We can bring that to Augusta. Now, to bring this canal to Augusta in 1845, my uncle Billy Bug, with some freemen, slaves, they dug out this canal. Now they used to dig out this canal. As a matter of fact, the grass that's in this water hinders this current boat, and it hindered the Petersburg's boatmen with trying to ferry cargo up and down the river.
After they dug it, this grass grew in its boat.
So, typically, on a Petersburg's boat, there would be 9. So, imagine wet, like, you know, it rains in Augusta. Yes, it does. Every summer.
I mean, no.
So, wet cotton is about 600 pounds. So, a Petersburg's boatman they'd be pretty strong. Cotton, or offload crops, or get crops and come back down to Augusta with them. So, ask me what happened to Petersburg, Georgia. If y'all take a small trip up to that area, if any of y'all. Oh, yeah, it's 11. Again.
What's the name of that lake?
You got it. It's because what is the difference between pretty much any food that you eat?
Yeah.
You eat bacon?
A pig?
Have you ever seen a pig eat?
A pig style? Yeah.
He's like, I like my food.
What we're trying to tell you is just mellow it all out.
But the
This
point,
is the vegan tour.
yeah, but I'm saying the point is, you put some seasoning on it. Yeah, you fry it up the way you like it. It's enjoyable. It's delectable eating.
I won't be catfish.
Well,
I can't hear you.
What?
My hearing aid, my batteries. Luke.
Hey, sorry. I'm Trish from Warehouse Craft from the Robins. Can't be my machine mall. I was picked for this job. The foreman came over to the school, which is run by the mill, and said that he needed help and I was the right age. And guess what? I don't have to go to school no more. You see, working most for family by milk for my new baby sister. I have 6 brothers and sisters. Crazy, right?
Every time you close your eyes, dream of me. I wanna be a fantasy. Imagining water falling all on me. I wanna be in your